Here's a demonstration of the diamond ore lamp using the Siri integration. Normally I would use my phone for this, but in this case I'm going to have to use my Apple TV, which effectively is Siri in this case. Change the color of the diamond lamp to blue. Change the color of the diamond lamp to lava. Change the color of the diamond lamp to lapis lazuli. Change the color of the diamond lamp to cyan. That's kind of the normal diamond lamp color. Set the brightness of the diamond lamp to 20%. Set the brightness of the diamond lamp to 50%. Set the brightness of the diamond lamp to 100%. Set the color of the diamond lamp to candlelight. This last one is a special mode which actually runs an animation, changing the color of the lights inside to flicker as though there were a candle inside. Anyway, I hope this helps.